Aloha friends and welcome to my channel Tasty Healthy. My name is Maka and today we are making a tasty snack called Jicama Sticks. Jicama Sticks is not a very well-known snack, but it is a really tasty snack. And I didn't grow up eating Jicama Sticks. I don't know why, but for some reason it's not a really well-known snack in the US as far as I know. There's probably a lot more people than I know that are eating it, but not super well known. But really tasty and really, really good for you. It is full of nutrients, full of water, and full of fiber, which makes it great for digestion, helping to rebalance your gut. The fiber in it is called inulin, and it basically feeds the good bacteria and it keeps things moving through. So if you've got any kind of imbalance, whether it's diarrhea or constipation, jicama is going to help to keep that moving out, that imbalance and that toxicity out of the body. So here, as you see, I am cutting off the peel. I've tried to peel jicama before with a peeler and I just am not super fond of it. So I just use a knife. That seems to be the professional way to do it. And I peel off this outer brown layer, and there's also like a first layer that's kind of yellowish that I peel off as well. I want to get to that nice moist inside. And jicama is really good at lubricating the digestive tract. It's got lots of water in it, and it's slightly sweet, which typically means, means that it'll break down into simple sugars and not be good for you. But jicama does not break down into simple sugars, does not metabolize into those simple sugars. So it's really good for anyone that has blood sugar issues, issues with balancing your blood sugar, or, diabetes, for example. And yeah, it's nice because it tastes slightly sweet, so you get that sweet craving filled, but without the sugar. Jicama is also high in vitamin C, and also has minerals that contribute to strong bones and tissues in your body. So it's super good for your body. I cannot speak highly enough about it. I think the first time that I ate it, I just had this really peaceful feeling. You can feel it in your gut. You just feel really peaceful and calm and happy. It's like your gut finally got what it needed. So it's a great snack. You can just cut it up like I'm doing here, and then keep it, in some glass Tupperwares in the fridge. And it's really good. And you can freeze it too. If you freeze it, you probably want to cook it though. So I usually eat it pretty quickly, even though it looks like a lot. It goes really quickly. It's kind of like apple slices or carrot sticks. It's the same. It's really easy to eat a lot in a short amount of time because it's really tastes really good. It's refreshing. So yeah, go ahead and peel off all the outer layer plus the little inner layer that's kind of yellowish. And then you're going to usually cut it into like 3/4 and a fourth. So you get like a nice big chunk. Looks like I need to sharpen my knife. It was kind of like squash. It's kind of hard to get through with the knife. So you're just going to cut it into slices. And I usually kind of make it about the size of like a French fry as far as thickness goes. Doesn't have to be perfect. So yeah, this first segment, I just go ahead and slice it into big slices. And then you can cut it either way. You can cut it into short sticks or long sticks, however you like, whatever you want. You can also do different kinds of shapes if you have, different cutters that you want to use. And so these ones I'm just gonna cut into short sticks, little tiny sticks. Sometimes tiny ones are nicer because you got more leverage when you go into your dip. The long ones, sometimes they'll break and snap as you get dip on them. So sometimes I like the short ones, but either way, whatever you're going for, it's a really easy, super easy to prepare, super fast. And I think they have jicama at Costco as well. I saw it there. I saw it there recently. I think they had like 2 or 3 in a bag, maybe 2. And yeah, super fresh, organic Costco. They also have it at the health food store. And as far as I know, they have it at the regular grocery store. I haven't looked recently, but I imagine it's there as well. And you don't have to make it perfect. Obviously, you're going to get a little bit of, extras. Okay, so we've got short sticks and long sticks. Just going to get a bowl here and place them all into the bowl. And then I'll put the remaining slices in a Tupperware to go into the fridge for tomorrow. Go ahead and put these small ones underneath, long ones on top. And it's a great snack. I cannot emphasize enough how much I love this snack. It's so delicious. I mean, it's so simple but so refreshing. And then I usually have it with some kind of dip. Lately I've been doing almond butter. I'm going to be adding on an aioli sauce soon, and you could always try it with aioli. I had I think last month I tried it with avocado dip, or not last month, a couple months ago. This avocado is kind of on the questionable list for inflammation allergies, which is surprising actually, because most people recommend avocado, but I won't be recommending avocado with this series, this channel. It's probably fine for some people, but not for others. And since it's kind of on the questionable list, I decided to just leave it out. But you can always test it out. If you don't have any inflammation, you're good to go. No allergic reactions. But those kinds of foods that are questionable, they kind of build up intolerance in the body. So you gotta be kind of careful if you're having allergic reactions or inflammatory responses. And for me, I would rather just eat, for the most part, things that don't trigger those. and don't add to them. So, okay, so I put a little almond butter in this bowl here, along with the jicama sticks and tasty snack of jicama sticks. If you haven't already, go ahead and like this video and hit subscribe. Make sure you hit subscribe if you want to continue seeing videos, and you can hit the bell or go into the notification settings to add notifications so that each time I put a video out, you'll receive a notification. Super easy. And you know, if you're making lunch or dinner or breakfast and you get that notification, then you can go to the grocery store and buy what you need, and then you have it for the video. So if you are loving this channel, go ahead and hit like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And mahalo, thank you for joining us today. Aloha, friends.